thought that one car was gonna cause a wreck because it stopped in the middle of the road.
Oh, yeah, the black one?
Yeah. Well, no, the gold one, the Pontiac. Because
yeah.
then the cement mixer like blew around it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cool car. Okay, it's a Blazer. It can get through there. That guy's not sure. Okay, I'm done. It quit raining and all the water got splashed out of the middle.
Yeah.
So now everybody cheated and now they're going through the middle of it. Well, he didn't, but a lot of them are.
They have a choice.
You know what we should do? We should not tell Papa about this and then have him drive to the antique store and he'll drive through the big water puddle. Oh, there went a guy that just blew through it. Oh.
One time was my limit.
One time was your limit?
Yeah.
All the roads are pretty much all pretty much have water along the sides of them.
Yeah, that's good.
You know, and they have drains, but the problem is the drains are at the high point in the road.
But they have trouble with the drains.
Yeah.
When they put those drains in, Tippy didn't have as many people. That's what they have now.
This road seems to be okay, but some of the some of the side roads didn't do so well.
That's the first time I saw that main road that bad.
Yeah, me too. I've never seen it that bad.
I bet it really poured down. That's why I don't do it.
There, he's pushing water. Look at the water right there in the window, just like stuck there.
Oh yeah.
How is the ditch? There's a car behind us, don't slow down. Yeah. Actually, there's more water on the road than there was in the ditch.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Look how hard it's raining. It's raining even harder now. Some cars are pushing more water than others are. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
I bet our driveway's flooded. Well, it is right there. Yep, I figured it was full of water. Yep. In different parts that it used to be, but it's still flooded pretty bad. I'm not getting my stuff that's in the car right now because I think that it would be best not to get the tablet wet, you know?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna run these tapes inside. I'd hate for my tapes to get messed up because it got rained on in a bag. What do you think about the weather, Mema?
It bites!
It bites?
Screaming at me. You ever heard the phrase a drowned rat?
Yeah.
Well, I kind of think I'm right in that category.
I'm gonna ring your doorbell. Oh, you can't hear it.
Yeah.
Now you can hear it.
Yeah.
Anything else? Or did you get everything?
Oh, I only got what I had to have.
Okay. Me too. I'm already soaked, so I'm just gonna make a video. It's summertime, it's not lightning, I can be out here. Oh well. Well, I'm under the tree. I'm gonna take the light off my hat. Okay. Look at the rain splashing off the hood of the truck. I bet you can hear. Oh wow, you can actually see it washing down the truck, the hood of the truck. Well, you can hear it. Now how am I going to get out of here without making everything that's in here soaked? Like that. Good thing my watch is waterproof. Wow. Look at the rain wash off the garage and the shack. That's filling up with water. I hope you guys can still see. I hope there's not water droplets on the camera. Oh, there went a bird. Well, this is some people that watch my channel always ask for, you know, they like the different types of videos, and this is definitely different. I don't know how many people have done a vlog in the rain. I wouldn't really call this a vlog, but it's a video of everything that you usually see, but it's soaked. Good thing we drilled holes in this cart thing here, or else it would have filled up with water. Listen to it, the raindrops on that computer. Drip, 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 drip. Let's look at the chair. Oh wow. This pulley wheel on the motor really filled up with water. Look at the chair. Out in the rain. How wet is it? Oh wow. It sounds wet when I slap it. That didn't sound right. Wow. Well, there's the chair in the rain if anybody's been looking for a view of that. Our tarp's got a bunch of water on it. It's doing its job. It's keeping everything under there dry. Something bumped into our tire. Oh yeah, the Sears tire got the bird poop washed off of it just by the rain. Man. Listen to it drop. Drip, 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 drip. There's a puddle in that wheel. It sounds like hail when you're in here. Sounds like a ice storm or a hailstorm. It's just because of the aluminum roof, but wow. Oh, what a time for the door to pull out of the track. Well, after about 5 minutes, I got it back in the track. Ain't that a time for that thing to come out of the track? Not only when I'm doing a video, but also when it's raining. And now it's not raining as hard. I was hoping when I came out here it would be raining like super duper hard and you could see the rain like splashing off of the armrest or the seat on the chair, but it's not doing that. I know I didn't lock the shack, but I'll lock it later on. Look at it dripping off the roof onto that tire. There's always a big puddle right here. Hey, that's a big puddle. You can kind of hear it since we got that aluminum roof put on here. Not a lot, but you can sort of hear it. I'm going in the house now. There's a puddle on the sidewalk. Look how wet my boots are. I'm surprised the wagon doesn't have more water in it. Guess what? I am absolutely drenched.
Yeah, when you take your clothes off, put them right in here.
Okay, wow, look.
With your hat, too.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this out to the trash. Look at the water in the driveway. While I'm out here, I'll take those trucks in later. How soaked is my hat? My hat is clean. You can see the blue dye kind of going into the white of the hat. I mean, it's like the bottom of the bill is wet. That's how wet the hat is. It like soaked through the plastic or cardboard or whatever's in the bill. Probably cardboard. What do you want to do with my hat so it doesn't shrink in the washing machine?
You don't want to wash it, do you?
No.
Let's just put it on top of.
On top of the coffee? Feel my shirt.
Oh yeah.
It's heavy.
It's soaking wet.
Money in my pocket is wet. Oh, and my light came on. Wonder if oh wow. It's got a bright, a dim. It won't shut off.
Oh. Well, it won't stay on long.
I just bought new batteries for it, so I'll have to get it to shut off.
Yeah.
What else is in my pocket?
Oh, that's what was on your hat, huh?
Yeah, I took it off so it wouldn't get wet.
Oh. That's bright. It's just, there's no in between.
No.
On or
On or off.
yeah, but not off.
Look at my boots. You can see what color they're supposed to be, and compared to what color they are.
Yeah.
Because they're so wet. They're heavy. My socks are wet.
Put them out on the back porch, your boots.
My socks?
Not outside, out on the,
Okay.
where the pop is, because it's hot out there. Now make them dry out quick. Yeah. Okay, grab those keys out of the door. Don't do as much good to come in and lock the door.
No. My overalls weighed like 10 pounds. They need washed anyway, so I'll just throw them in the washing machine.
Yeah.
Look at how heavy this is.
Oh yeah. That's heavy material, more than I thought.
Well, no, it's a lightweight shirt. It's just because it's so
I know, heavy, but
drenched
still.
with water.